In this video, we're going to show you how to install the water valve on your steam dryer. So to install a water valve for your steam dryer, the first thing you're going to want to do is make that connection for the hose that goes up to the steam box to the valve itself. So we're just going to bring our valve in, get our hose, and insert it into the valve. Just push it in, and it will lock. Now the next thing you want to do on this model, they have a small keeper that goes in so that that fitting cannot come loose. Just like that. So it locks that fitting. And now that that's done, we're going to take our plastic case and mount the valve into it. And having done that, we'll want to attach our wires, and they just slide on. Now that that's all set, we're just going to mount our valve back into the hole. Just a matter of lining it up so that that screw head comes through that hole. Rotate it so it slips into the notch. And with it lined up, we'll put in our other screw. And we'll go back over to the one on the left side and finish securing it. Now that that part is done, we'll want to put those wiring harnesses back into those plastic keepers so that they can't vibrate out of place. And we're good. So now we can remove our cloth. So now that we have our wiring harness secured in place, the next thing we'll want to do is reinsert the exhaust vent and secure the back panel. So just slide it into place. And you can even look through the tube to make sure you're lined up. And then when you put this back panel on, there's one little tab that locks in behind the edge of the cabinet. So just drop that into place, and now we can put our screws in. So don't tighten that first screw, so that leaves that panel with a little bit of play, so you can line up your other screws. Once you're putting in the last screw, you can tighten it right up. And then go back and tighten the other two. So there, that's just how easy it is to install the water valve on your steam dryer.